Discovered a KRAK file from Classic Gaming? This is a game file associated with Krakout, a popular ZX Spectrum and other 8-bit computer breakout-style game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these vintage game files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution. The magic utility that specializes in the KRAK format. Details below. KRAK files are game files associated with Krakout, a classic breakout-style arcade game. Popular on 8-bit computers like the ZX Spectrum Commodore 64 and Amstrad CPC. They may contain game data level information, saved games, or other game-specific resources used by the original game program on supported retro computer platforms.
KRAK game files use platform-specific binary formats, varying by the original 8-bit computer system. The internal structure depends on which version of Krakout created the file, with possible content, including level layouts, game state information, high score tables, or resource data, specific to the game's implementation on each platform.
System file recognition for KRAK is optimized for Fuse emulator by open source. To access all data streams, audio, video/subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows shows only basic file information, so reviewing real content requires game supporting tools. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the data. Right-click the KRAK file and click Open With. Test Fuse emulator first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right key is on your PC. If the KRAK file still will not open, there is no need to stress. This KRAK file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, loading in 8-bit emulators. Use 8-bit computer emulators like Fuse for ZX Spectrum Vice for Commodore 64 or CPCEC for Amstrad CPC. Mount disk or tape images containing the KRAK file and load through the emulated system. The emulator runs the original game executing properly with the KRAK file as game data input. Next, identifying the platform. Examine the KRAK file size and any accompanying files to determine which 8-bit platform the game targets. ZX Spectrum tape files typically have specific size patterns, as do Commodore 64 disk images. This identification ensures using the correct emulator and game version for proper playback of the vintage content. Finally, preserving retro gaming. Submit KRAK files to retro gaming preservation archives, like the Internet Archive's Classic Game Collection or platform-specific preservation projects. These archives maintain historical game files for future generations of computing enthusiasts. Your contribution helps document gaming history before digital files become unrecoverable from aging media. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.